Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Durango battery. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Make sure to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from battery acid. Also, ensure your Durango is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety. Now let's locate your battery. For many Dodge Durango models, you'll find it conveniently located under the passenger seat. Once you've accessed it, grab your 10mm wrench. First, loosen and remove the negative terminal clamp. After that, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal clamp. Remember, negative first always. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure it in place. Be prepared, as car batteries can be quite heavy, often weighing over 40 pounds. Carefully lift the old battery out. Then, gently lower your new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly. Now for the reconnection. This time, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are tightened firmly to prevent any loose contact or power issues. Once everything is secure, start your Dodge Durango's engine to confirm that your new battery is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.